Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Friends, due to any reason, if you want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, then you need to open Instagram app. Now here on your Instagram app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here press on the three lines. Now press on account center. Now here you will find manage accounts. Press on it. Now press on manage. Now here you will find option deactivation and deletion. Press on it. Now press on continue. Now press on continue again. Now here you need to enter your Instagram password and you need to give a reason why you want to temporarily disable Instagram account, and after that your Instagram account will be temporarily disabled. So friends, like this you can very easily deactivate Instagram account temporarily. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.